truly made from God's best stuff on earth. Megastar smoothies, I love it. Megastar water, I love it. Megastar Seymour's, I love it. I love it. I need it. I want it. Megastar smoothies, my body needs it. Health is wealth, yeah. So I flaunt it. Studio, the gym, huh? You know I'm on it with dinner, lunch, or early morning.
There we go.
Megastar smoothies, my body needs it. Health is wealth, huh? So I flaunt it. Studio, the gym, yeah. You know I'm on it with dinner, lunch, or early morning.
Yeah, Grand Rising, man. We here, and we just saying peace and blessings to everybody. This is for the video on the woodworm. You know what I'm saying? This ain't my first time taking this joint. I actually mixed it with the burdock root, which I have available on the website too. Different teas. We have the burdock root. We have the dandelion leaf and all of that. I'm just getting ready right here, making a couple of smoothies, packing up the Seymour's for the show later on tonight at the Valentine's Day Bash, and Elizabeth pop out come through. You know what I'm saying? I'm sipping on my Megastar smoothie early, and I ain't gonna lie about that woodworm, bro. That shit is powerful, and it has a real bitter taste. I ain't gonna lie, you gotta get used to it. I be putting honey in it. That's why I mix it with the burdock. But like, sometimes I don't even like the taste of it, but I feel the results after it. So when you order your woodworm, just know it's a taste that has to be acquired, and you got to get used to it. Get your woodworm right now. You dig what I'm saying? This is the Megastar joint. This ain't no fake shit that they got on the market. This is the real. Just letting y'all know. The link is in the bio. Order right now. If y'all wondering how to get the parasites out of your body, you can order this from the website Woodworm. You make the tea, and then, you know what I'm saying, you got a couple. You can also get the parasites: cup of water, cayenne pepper, lemon and lime, cloves, papaya seeds. Mix that up. As you can see, you gotta have the woodworm tea. You got black walnut, and they say you gotta have a binder. Must use a binder to kill the babies and the eggs, which is bentonite clay, zeolite clay, or chia seeds and flax seeds. So right now, we got the chia seeds, we got the flax seeds, you dig what I'm saying? I'm gonna do more research on the bentonite clay and the zeolite clay and check that out, but you already know what it is. Also, one of the main things that you could get off the website is the Megastar chlorophyll. That is the most powerful, you know what I'm saying? But we got multiple different blends. We got the Seymour's, different flavors you can order from the website also. All of this stuff, man, you could get from the website. A few dollars, get yourself right, you dig what I'm saying? Get it now.